Okay, well, so today we will discuss about the consignment process. Okay, so that is consignment process in SAP SDS for HANA. Okay, so we'll discuss what exactly this consignment process is, and this is also one of the sales process. So we'll understand one by one what exactly the consignment process is. Okay, so we'll see consignment process is storing the company product at the customer location. Okay, basically this is one of the process. So where consignment of the company will be stored in the customer's location. In the consignment process, in the consignment process, a business allows stock or material to be held at customer premises while the ownership of the goods remains with the supplying company itself. Okay, so in the consignment, if the consignment, if any of the stock will be stored in the customer's premises, but the ownership of the goods or product remains with the company, with the supplying company itself, who is going to store the material. Okay, only after the customer has consumed or sold anything, the customer will issue an invoice, and the customer can consume product from warehouse at any time, and the billing is generated only for the quantity consumed. Okay, this is about the consignment process. See, consignment process in simple. So whatever the product is there will be stored in the customer's location. Okay, the company is going to store the material in the company's location, but the ownership of that products will remain with the supplying company itself. Okay, only whenever the customer required, okay, whenever the customer required those products, so they will consume it. Okay, once they consume it, the company is going to generate a billing only for the quantity consumed. Whatever the consumed quantity is there, for that only the company is going to generate the billing. So this is about the consignment process. So business advantage of the consignment process: see, faster delivery to the customer. As we are going to store the material in the customer's location, the delivery will be faster. Better customer service, we can give a better customer service and satisfaction. It reduces customer procurement time. Okay, and improves stock availability, and billing only for consumed quantity. Okay, so these are all the major advantage of the consignment process. Okay, now consignment stock processing. So in consignment stock processing, there are four major transactions in SAP system. So they are, one is, one second, okay, one is consignment fill up. That means stock fill up at warehouse. Okay, we are going to maintain the stock in our warehouse, and the moment type is 631, and these are all the transaction code. This is the item category, this is the document type. Okay, so once the stock is filled up in the warehouse, then we are going to issue stock to the customer. Okay, we need to issue the stock, and these are the moment types, so you need to remember this. Okay, these are all very important. Then consignment return. See, stock return from the customer. If any products held, okay, that will be returned from the customer. The transaction code is 634. And consignment pickup, stock return to manufacturer. Okay, so this is 632. We'll understand this one by one, how the process will be executed. Okay, next. Okay, in SAP S4 HANA, consignment process mainly consists of four business transactions. Okay, this is what I told you. So same thing, it has been mentioned here. See, customer fill up means sends goods to customer consignment stock. Okay, so one second, I will make some alignment. Okay, so consignment fill up means send goods to customer's consignment stock. Then customer issue means customer consumes goods. Okay, customer will consume the goods. Customer return means customer return consumed goods. Okay, then consignment pickup means unsold goods returned from the customer. Okay, so these are the four major elements of consignment business process. Okay, so we'll take an example of bike showroom. Okay, so here you can observe. Okay, so here you can see Hero Bike. See, the company Hero Bike. So the product will be passion pro. Here we have dealer one. Okay, so in this process, the company sends stocks to the dealer location. Billing is generated only after dealers consume or sells the product. Okay, so this is how the real-time business example is. Okay, so if you take any of the car showroom, okay, whether it may be a car showroom, whether it may be two-wheeler, okay, the company is going to store the material, store the products in the company's location, that is the showroom. Whenever the goods sells, okay, that invoice will be generated. So we have a complete process flow for this. Okay, so consignment fill up, we have this transaction code VA01 only we will use. So in the consignment process flow, we are going to see what is the consignment fill up. So we are going to send here as seen. So we are going to send the goods to the customer consignment stock. So in that we have see every step, every element has its own business process. See, first we will generate in a sale order, then we are going to deliver the product, then we are going to do the PGI, no billing for this. Okay, so then the consignment will be transferred to the customer location. Okay, here PGI consignment issue. Okay, so consignment issue means we have seen a customer consumes goods. That means sales happens. So in that case, again the customer. So we are going to generate a sale order for the consumed goods. See the document type is I shown you know. See the document type is see here CCFU, CCIS, and CCRE and CC. Okay, and we will do the PGI and billing will be done here. Then consignment return. So VA01 same process. See consignment pickup means if the consignment stock is returning back to the company. So in that case, no billing will be there. Okay. Now we'll see the step-by-step configuration. So first step configuration is here we have assign shipping point. Okay. So here we need to assign shipping point. So for that we'll go to SAP. Then see SIMG, logistic execution, shipping. See logistic execution. Then we have shipping. Okay, so logistic execution, shipping. Then basic shipping function. Okay, see here basic shipping function. Then shipping point and goods receiving point determination. Shipping point and goods receiving point determination. So then setup storage location dependent shipping point determination. So we'll see here. So setup storage location dependent shipping point determination. Then we need to go to assign shipping points. See here assign shipping points. So already it has been done. See shipping condition, that is 01, loading of 0001, plant is TE. See it is already assigned. Okay, we have already done this. Next, so this is under scope of check. See this we have done. Okay, so this step we have done. So next we have this. Okay, so we have assigned it. Okay, now next step is see this is for consignment issue. We need to assign the shipping point. Okay, that is so while we are sending it to the customer's premises, so we need to assign the shipping point and loading group and all. Okay, what would be the shipping condition? Next we have configuration for consignment return. Okay, so same we need to go here and we need to see here shipping condition is different. Sorry, I forgot. So shipping condition is different. If you go here, the shipping condition is different. Select it and position shipping condition is immediately. Okay, so what is that? So shipping condition CC. See here consignment. So this is for consignment issue. Okay, so consignment issue, I will assign this consignment issue. Select loading group. I'll select any. If you want to select manual, you can select plant TEPL. Shipping point is this. See? Same shipping point. Save this. Already exists. Let's see position CC. So we'll see loading group. Yeah, it is already there. See, it is already there. No? TEPL. So why? 1 second. Shipping CC. Loading group 0003 and plant is T. Oh, okay, it's because we have copied na, that's why it is already assigned. So here remove this shipping point and assign our shipping point. So TESP. Okay, so next same step here we need to assign RE shipping condition. Already it is there. RE, what is the loading group? 0003 only I will use, and plant is TEPL. Okay, see here just we need to replace TESP. Okay, then done. See, we need to define this. Save. Next, we need to go to consignment fill up. Okay. First, we did with the consignment issue, then consignment return. Okay. Then consignment fill up. Okay. So consignment fill up is the first step in the consignment process where goods are sent to the customer's location and without transferring the ownership. So stock is stored at customer site but owned by the company. Billing is not done. Okay. So here the business process also we have understood. So consignment fill up is issued to store the goods to the customer location, ensures quick supply to the customer, improves service level, reduces delivery time, and supports regular consumption based billing. Okay. So this is the process flow here. So first what we will do here, we'll check the stock. Okay. So first we will check whether the stock is available or not. So what I will do here, I will create one new material. That would be better. Or else if you want to use, so I will use /nm01. Okay. So here I will use bike, tech bike. Okay. So here I will use my TEFI, and here I will copy from any one of the materials so that I can save the time. This is TEPL, TESL, TESO, PD. Okay. So I'll copy this same. This is for consignment, right? Consignment. Enter. So it will copy all. So here we need to select the loading group different. Okay. So go to sales. Here we have a loading group. See, this is 3. Enter. Enter. Accounting. See, 7920. Enter and save. See, we have created material, but we don't have stock because this is new material. If you go to MMBE, see, this is new material. Okay. How to update the stock? We should have stock na to fill up the process. So already I shown you in the previous sessions. So we need to update the stock. How to update the stock? Once again, I will show you. Go to MyGo transaction to update the stock. So here it should be goods receipt and it should be other. Okay. Then 501 is the moment type. Observe here. It should be goods receipt. Okay. It should be goods receipt. It should be other and it should be 501 moment type. Then you will have to enter your material. So enter your material. Let's say tech bike. Then quantity, let's say 100 I will update. Where? So we'll have to maintain TEPL and TESL. That's it. Make sure that the same moment type will have to trigger here. Okay. Next, enter and give item OK here. Okay, perfect. Enter item OK. Make sure it should be OK. Check and post. See here, document is posted. That's it. If you go to MMBE, now the stock has updated to 100. Okay, I'll open the new screen and now I will execute the consignment fill up. Okay, so here consignment fill up means sending goods to the customer warehouse with an agreement that billing will be generated only after goods consumption. So order type is CCFU. Okay, CCFU, the T code is same VA01. Okay, so here we'll go with this. Go back VA01 and here CCFU. Okay, see consignment fill up. Enter your sales area details. Enter. Now I will take this customer only. Okay, this is for consignment fill up. Okay, so here I'll take payment terms, right? Okay, then here take bike. Okay, so let's say 10 quantity I'm sending, or else I will take it as 20 quantity. So here I will maintain all the necessary details. Let's say this is for $100. Okay, enter. Okay, see, no issue. If you find any error, okay, so see here we have entered all the details. See, if you get this error, so you can check it out. So let's see. So double click on this and here go to shipping. So here we need to maintain the shipping point and storage location. Enter. Yeah, see, shipping condition, loading group, plant, storage location not defined. Okay, see here, shipping loading group 0001, plant, storage location is not defined. So if you are getting this error, just click on proceed. Okay, same here we have different error. So just click on this proceed button and assign this. Once again, enter, double click on this, double click on the proceed. Why it is not executing? Why this is not working? 1 second. See, this is different error. Okay, enter. Okay, what I will do, I will go to new screen and I will go to the path. Okay, /n SIMG, and here I will go to sales and distribution. Then no, we need to go to logistic execution, and here we have shipping, basic shipping function, shipping point, and here we have assign shipping point. So here we need to assign. Okay, so just go to new entry. So what was the error? See, you can see what it is telling: shipping condition, loading group. Okay, and plant and storage location, we need to assign this. Okay, shipping condition, what we had selected, shipping condition we had selected CC, loading group 0003 TEPL and TESL. Enter and save this. Now we will test. So if you are getting this error, you just go there and try to execute this. So I'll come back again, VA01 CCFU, enter all the details, and here payment terms, Incoterms, and here bike and ordered quantity. I will take 20 only. Plant, enter again. Okay, then double click on this. So go to shipping. Why it is not assigning? Still same problem. So it is not working here. Why? See, combination of 0003 not allowed. We'll go back to the configuration again. Sorry, primary ship TESP. Save this. Okay, I have forgot to assign that. Okay, enter. Still not. 1 second. I'll go to VA01. Enter. Sold to party. Consignment fill up. Incoterm by 20 quantity. And this is TEPL. Okay. Enter. And payment terms. Double click on this. Shipping. Still it is not assigning. Why? So we have already done. So shipping condition, loading group, plant, storage location, we are done here. Let's see shipping condition. So we'll assign one more, that is 01. So 0001 plant, storage location, shipping point. So but we have assigned different, no? So just to go back and we'll see define rule for shipping point. So here, no, this is not required. Define rule for determination, shipping condition, shipping conditions we have here. Okay, then we have define shipping condition by sales document position CC, and then shipping condition. See, here we don't have shipping condition. Okay, we'll assign CC. Okay, CCFU. Okay, for this CCFU, enter, save. Now enter. So this is perfect. Then go back, loading group, and nothing is there, and all this we have done. So I will do once again, VA01 CCFU, enter all the details in payment terms, import terms, order quantity, and here I will enter the plant. Then double click on this, go to shipping. See here, now we are getting. So this was missing. Just do it. Check these conditions. Now I'll go to storage location and check the incompletion log. Yeah, we have forgot to mention pricing here. Okay, that is TEGR, and this will be $100. Okay. Now go back and go back again. See, even you enter the pricing. See, there is 0. Why? Because we are not. This is not relevant for billing. Okay. Now I will save this document. Okay, save this. So this is my 84 is my consignment filler. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so now we have done with the consignment filler. Okay, so we are done with the consignment filler. So this is, if you get this error, you can resolve this. So resolution I have mentioned here. If you get this kind of error, now we are done with the consignment fill up. Okay, so what is the next step? So next step, see this all we have done. So this is the relevant for error. Okay, just go through this. Okay, now set pricing procedure, determination. So here we need to assign this. Okay, next step, consignment fill up. So see, we are done with this. See, error fixed. So if you are getting that error, okay, so then you can see here in VA02. Okay, if you go back, see 84 is the document type. If you go to VA02 or 03, you can check document flow. See, this is consignment fill up. Okay, if you check the stock here, okay, so here now we will deliver it. So once it is delivered, the stock will be updated. Okay, go to VL01N, just go back and /n VL01N and enter the shipping point, enter. Okay, so now no scheduling line delivery due to selected date. So see, if you are getting this error, no scheduling lines, so delivery date, you need to verify the delivery date. Go to VA02, check your consignment fill up document delivery date. Okay, so here required delivery date is 27/6/2026. Okay, so I will go to VL01N. So here, so that is perfect. So select it, order cannot be delivered. So I will check the scheduling lines here. Okay, go to VA02, enter, and here double click on this. So go to scheduling lines. See here, delivery date is this. So we need to copy this. So this delivery scheduling I will explain you later. But as of now, you can select this 6/7. Okay, I will go to VL01N and this is 0607. Enter. See, now it is coming. So now go to picking and here 20 is the picked quantity and just do PGI. Okay, see, PGI is done. Now if you go back and check the stock here, refresh, see here 20 quantities customer consignment. You can see here 80 stock we have in our plan, but 20 stock we have sent it to the customer's location. Okay, so as you can see here, we are done with this. Okay, so here picked quantity 5. See, delivery document is created and PGI also done. Okay, so PGI is also done, PGI also done, and you can check here document flow we will check. Okay, no billing is required. If you do the billing, so you will get an error.